All right, guys, so this is the front door. Sorry if I'm echoing. We haven't moved anything in yet, but this is our front door right here. And I'm gonna just turn. I'm gonna take my shoes off so it won't be squeaking. And then straight ahead, we're gonna go ahead and turn. And right here is a small little bathroom. This will be Jaden's bathroom right here. So this is Jaden's bathroom. Yeah, so we're gonna keep going straight down. And this is Jaden's bedroom right here. And his closet is actually right over here. It's a nice size closet. Just right here. So coming out of here, this is our garage right here. Open the garage for you. And this is also where our let me put the light on. Our washer dryer hookup is. So this is our washer dryer hookup, our hot water heater, and our basically our garage. We're not going to really use it as our cars, but we are thinking about converting it into a little man area. So that's that right here where the garage at. And on the side of the garage we have a little linen closet right here, so I'll be using that for like extra towels, tissue, and stuff like that. So you're gonna turn across, and right here is another bedroom. And this is going to be the beauty room where we will film the videos now and do makeup videos. And I like this little nook area. I might put a small desk or something right here for my laptop. And then this is a closet for here. Same size as Jaden's, but good for like extra storage, since we don't have as big of a storage closets here, but we do have an extra room. So we're gonna go down. I like the floors, it's really cute. This is our kitchen right here. And that's our kitchen. I really don't like the white countertops and stuff because I'm used to dark countertops. That's my favorite thing. But like I said, I really do like the overall apartment, so I decided to go ahead and move here. And yeah, and the cabinets are not as deep as my ones I currently have at my current apartment now. But yep, we gotta buy a microwave for here because this one doesn't come with a microwave. So, and then there's a little bar right here with some little drawers. And then this is our pantry. It's kind of small, but I don't ever keep a lot of food in here in my pantries like that anyway, so that doesn't bother me. And then here's another closet. Not really sure what I'm putting here, probably like the broom, mop, stuff like that. Then this is the little dining room area right here. It's tile all the way throughout, and then I could put some small like little bar stools right here. I'm not sure if I am going to, but I could. I do have that option. And I just like the way that it overall just shows an open kitchen. I do like that. So it looked really nice and clean in there, even though I like dark wood. And yeah, so this is our living room right here. It's pretty big. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can show you our little piece of a backyard. We got a small backyard, but it is really nice because we didn't have a backyard. We just had a back patio, but we have somewhere we can actually grill now. And yeah, and then right here, that little square box right there is actually supposed to be for gardening. And me and Jaden, we love gardening, so we are gonna plant something in there. We're just not really sure, but I do like the fact I got a little nice backyard. And so we're gonna put the furniture here. We gotta get some blinds put in, And then this is the master bedroom. So this is my room. We're in here. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the bathroom in my bedroom. I'm actually filming this a few days later because I just realized I did not film this part. So this is the bathroom inside my bedroom, and I've already been living here a few days now, so about 3 days. So this is how it's looking right now. And I just got like a basic tub like Jaden had down the hallway, but it's really deep, so I really like it. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my closet also. It is still full of boxes and stuff, but here's some of my clothes already put up, some bags, my shoes. But it's a really big and spacious closet, so I can't really give y'all the full effect of it because it's just so much in here. And we just moved in about 3 days ago. So, and this is the closet. And yeah, so that's basically the end of the house tour. I hope you guys liked it. It's just something temporary for us because I do have bigger plans, but I really wanted to change our living situation. So yeah, until next time guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.